Okay, another video showing the progress on my 383 stroker build. This weekend I was able to get the cylinder heads installed, torqued, checked everything out on it. No interference, no problems. I've got the EPS manifold sitting on top just for fit check. Get a good shot of that. Pretty excited about this manifold. I've been wanting to try one ever since they made them. It's a really nice looking manifold. Fairly small runners in it. Has a square flange, Holly flange for your carburetor, unlike the Performer that has both for spread bore and square bore. Here's the cylinder heads. Maybe take a good look at those. This is the Etec 170s, aluminum vortex, push rod guide plates and screw-in studs. It's got dual springs. Shot of the exhaust ports. Also, I got the harmonic balancer installed here. Went on good. So I'm going to take the manifold off and get a shot of the valley here. Use Velcro gaskets. They're Edelbrock gaskets, but they're actually made by Velcro. I don't have the lifters installed yet. I did a little check on the Valvetrain geometry and it looks like it might be a little bit off. So I'm going to take a look at that again. May have to get another size length of push rod to straighten that out. I calculated the compression ratio. It's going to be 10.3 to 1. That's with 12cc dished pistons, a 64cc chamber, and a 039 compressed height on the cylinder head gasket, and a zero deck. I'm running close to 10 to 1 on my Camaro, or on my Corvette rather, and I'm not having any problems with it, so I think I'll be alright, but I'll definitely be using 92 octane from here on out. Okay, I appreciate you guys following me. I'll make another video soon. Thanks.